Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my new video. This is part 1 of 2. I wanted to try something different from all the videos out there on YouTube, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get to it.
He was into the turn, and then when I looked back, he was sliding and separating from the bike.
Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're all doing well. To recap what happened last time, I'd been riding in rookie group most of last year, got bumped up to intermediate, and did one track day in that group. In the last episode, I had finally made it to advanced group at the track. I also got to ride my friend's race bike. If you haven't seen last episode, go ahead and check out that video. Nico, George's little brother, has been improving every session. He has been working hard under the wings of George and the other track day coaches. He's looking to get bumped up to rookie group this upcoming track day. Last track day was awesome, with huge improvements in lap time. This coming track day will be my first time in advanced group. I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready. So it's the last day of work before the next track day, and I'm eager to get out. Because riding at the track is always a great way to recenter yourself. First things first, hit up the grocery store, get my things together. Cables, drinks, fan, tire pump, cooler, tires to change out, pressure gauge, and of course, my leathers. Okay, time to meet up with George and Nico to load up the bikes. Let's be real here. Any hobby in motorsports can be very expensive. I'm gonna go over the things you'll need for the track and the estimated costs. First, of course, you gotta pay for the track day. These vary in price, but are generally around $200. Mine coming up is gonna be $225. Second, of course, is food and drinks. Get drinks that will hydrate you, and a beer for the end of the day for a job well done. Next is a canopy. You'll literally bake in the sun without it. A canopy will provide you with some shade and comfort. You're also going to want to get a fan. They sell some pretty powerful fans at Home Depot. They can get up to around $100 for a very good one, but you could find one cheaper than that. Unless you want to sit on your bike and post up next to it like you're from the movie Biker Boys, then you'll need a chair to sit on. Canopy, chair, fan blowing in your direction, and you're good to go. Man, okay, so we finally made it. I'll get back to talking about the cost of the track day and more things that you'll need for the track in a second. But first, let's load up these bikes.
What happened to your wrist?
Old age. It'll happen to you one day.
Maybe in like 70 years.
Nico's bike has some new decals. So you gotta get your bike to the track, right? If you're a crazy, mental, badass rider, you'll ride your bike to the track, do the day, then ride home. But if you're a normal person like the rest of us, get a U-Haul. The price for this can vary, but if you have a friend that has a pickup truck, that would be ideal. Anyway, let's get to the track. So it's about an hour drive to get there. We go to Summit Point in West Virginia. Summit, Maine is our favorite. It's a long drive, but it does have one thing: scenic views.
Oh my god!
Don't forget to have handlebar and ratchet straps. The type of bike you have will determine what kind of strap you'll need for your handlebars. Now that we're here, I want to go over some essential gear that you'll need.
Good.
So I think it's obvious, but you can't ride without the proper gear. You can find decent leathers for around $600. You can go with a one-piece full leather suit or a two-piece. If you do a two-piece though, just make sure that it has a 3/4 zipper around the waist. The zipper will connect the jacket and the pants together. Look for some sales, but don't compromise on fit for something cheaper. Remember, your leathers should be a second skin. If you don't already have boots, you'll need to get those too. You can find decent boots for around $200.
I'm scared. Oh, okay.
It took 148 pounds to break that loose.
Well, I didn't know how I got it that tight though.
Exactly. No more coaching. You don't need coaching anymore.
Muhammad Ali, man.
Nope.
Muhammad Ali needs a coach.
This is different. This is different. This is
Man.
you're an advanced rider now. You're gonna win the track day.
Nico's bike is clean. Now that we're all settled in, we're gonna get some cones and set up the braking markers throughout the course. Alright, just a few more things. You're gonna want some gauntlet gloves. These are gloves that go over your wrist. Also, make sure you have a tire pressure gauge and an air pump. Tire pressure is very important when you're pushing your bike. I know. You see the total cost here and thinking, what the hell, man? But this is just the initial cost. Once you have everything, it's gonna be much less. And at times, just the price of the Trackday itself. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and found it informative. Please like and tell me if I missed anything on items for the track. I try to stay focused on the big items, but there are potentially other things. And remember, you can always save on stuff, like, do you really need a canopy? Anyway, please subscribe. In the next video, we'll get into what George was talking about in the beginning of this video and the unfortunate events that happened. I will also get into the mental aspects of prepping for when things do go wrong. So stay tuned, and as always, ride safe.